So pretty much what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm talking about. You could have been great Gatorade. Could have, Sammy, but your prediction was wrong. Unless you did this. We go behind the best hiding spot in all of Brookhaven. I'm not gonna count.
Guys, you see for this one, ni venye tu zimehoha kidogo. I got them kwa soko in the morning. I was taking my son to school and I decided like, why not? Let me pass by kwa market. Let me show you. Imadizi yote, this one is 100. This one is 100. Na vitu kadhaa zenye sikuwa nazo like hoho. I added. These are the things I got from the market. Hizi hoho wanauzanga 50 moja. And today I got like 3 for 30. The small one, meaning walikuwa wanauza 10. And the big one walikuwa wanauza like at 30 bob. The normal days wanauzanga 50 bob. Nikapata mandizi. You can see the way they are big. Kinywaji yangu hapo fresh. Leo nimeangukia. Guys, at least niko na vitu za soko. I have the nyanyas. Perfect. Everything that I need. Garlic, ginger. Leo nimeangukia nimepata hoho at a very good price. Look at that. Perfect. I don't mind. Here's the cabbage. I have full and a half. Full and a half. Here's machungwa. These are danias. Yeah, these are danias. I need to wipe there. Danias. These nimeweka lemons. Ukiweka lemons haziwezi haribika. They are perfect hivyo. So for this one, I normally cook for breakfast for my hubby. Anapenda hizo nini. And then I need to add milk, bread. Tuko na mingi that home naona tumeweka hapo. And then this one are leftovers. Tuko na kaugali, tuko na these ones are they're not supposed to be here, by the way. Nafaa niziweke kwa freezer. So I remake it. Yep. I need to add hizo vitu zingine. Yep. I need to restore meat. Meat imeisha. Hizi zinafaa zioshwe kwanza. Nyama imeisha. Hizi ni nini? Zinaitwa nini? Matumbo. Yeah. So I need to restore meat. There's no meat. Oh my god, it's dirty. I have this kuku. It's so dirty. This is it. Let me let it. Let's now cook breakfast. And let me tell you, my house manager knows how to cook tea. Yani yavutia. Yanukia vizuri. Haha. You don't want chocolate? You want chocolate? Oh, okay. You don't want chocolate, Stephanie? You don't want chocolate? Okay. So, mommy. So I'm preparing chips, and you can say like make a paprika, and then I'm going to add salt. Make sure you add paprika and salt. But right now kuna chips masala, which slaps. But for now I don't have, so I'm going to use paprika, and I'm going to put a little bit of chili. Then I fry them. Hey, make sure you try this one. Make sure you try this one. Oh. Alafu sasa nachukua zile baby spinach zangu, baby skuma zangu, I steam them. Perfect. Yes, mommy. This is where I pack my dania. I cut them and then I store them like this. By the time they haribike tunakunga tumepika, so they are very safe here. And now this one for Tiffany, although I may take breakfast already, but she must have that. And this now is for my hubby. Yep. And if you're watching this for the first time, never ever watch this page this channel, guys, make sure you go subscribe and give us a follow or give us a thumb up, okay? Hi, Gracie. Okay. Hi.
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 You're giving your mama an attitude.
Mom.
Yes, Tiffany, what are you saying? Freddie.
Hi.
So, are you located close to the center of town or further out on the edge of the world? It's hard to say. I'd say I'm in between. In between? Well, that gives me an idea. Let's know what hide and seek challenges we should add into the server, which means I can. Alright, Sonny, relax, bro. So, pretty much what I'm gonna do is go down right about. Look into the entire region of the house. I can't find him. Wait, I see his light. He's moving around. Ew! There's a giant spider now! Goats. I don't know about. Just gotta change my shoes. Gotta be sitting here with some shoes and a blend in better. There's no way I'm not gonna get Sonny. And yeah, I'm ready. Alright, that means I'm ready. That fancy house, you probably wanna need flashlight now. Sonny, where are you? I'm not gonna tell you, brother. That's kinda the corner and glitch out. Oh, this is a fucking glitch out. Oh, I'm sorry. And to explore this room and head up. Just drop down on him right now, you have no idea. But it's the best hiding spot in all of Brookhaven. I'm not gonna count. Not even the same records, but I'm in the same house. Not bad. Are you in house plot 24? No. Dude, why do you even have this? To throw you off, Sonny. I've now wasted one of your questions. Whatever. Second question. Out if you can, my body was still moving. I'm gonna get back in my spot.